So hey everyone, Akshay here and welcome back to Tech Binder. So here we are having one more great product to do unboxing and review on our channel, and this particular product is known as Bee. So this is the another TWS earbuds from Jabees. I've already done an unboxing and review of Firefly, which were pretty amazing in the price point. So these are a little bit cheaper in comparison with Jabees, but I hope so they perform similar to the Firefly. So we are going to do the unboxing and review and we'll let you know how good these are and whether you should invest your money in these earbuds or not if you are looking for something known as TWS earbuds. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. Here they are having the tagline, the everyday hearables, true wireless earbuds, and these are supporting the fast charging technology, and also they are having the wireless charging receiver. Bluetooth 5.0, auto power on and off, volume adjustment, change track, and these are giving almost somewhere around 4 hours of music playback time and having 100 hours of standby time. The box is good and it comes with an magnetic casing. Wow. So here it is, and let's see what we're having inside the box. So unboxing it, you will find here the Jabees earbud. And when you talk about this charging case, it looks more premium, and here you will find the fast charging technology, which is USB-C. So we don't know the sound signature and all, but by seeing it doesn't look cheap from any angle. Okay, keeping it aside, we will talk more about it later in this video, and let's have a look on the accessories inside the box. So extra pair of earbuds of different sizes to fit perfectly to your ear. So if you want to go to the gym or if you're running, and then you can definitely use this sporty earbuds. So here we are having this user manual guide, and highly recommended to go and read this user manual guide before using these earbuds. And also I think this is the online warranty registration, so you will get 12 months of warranty with these earbuds. Okay, now keeping it aside, and let's talk more about these earbuds in detail. So here they are, and let's start with the pairing process. The pairing process is pretty easy. Just open the lid and take out the earbuds from the charging case, and they will be blinking blue and somewhere pink or violet, and they will be connected within themselves, and then they are ready to pair. Next thing what you need to do is that turn on the Bluetooth onto your phone. So here we are having the available devices. Boom, pretty easy to pair, and they are done. And also they are having the 100% battery life. So now let's do some button testing. You can pretty much easily do the play and pause. Just press the multifunction button on any device and you can easily do the play and pause. Also keep in mind that the left one is the master and the right one is a slave in this scenario. For moving to the previous track, double tap the left earbud and you will find that you are in the previous track. Okay, so if you want to increase the volume, press and hold the right earbud to increase the volume. So if you want to decrease the volume, press on the left earbud to decrease it in the sequential manner. So if you want to call your voice assistant, all you need to do is that pause your music if it is already paused, and double tap the left earbud and you will find that the voice assistant will prompt. Boom, it is, and you can pretty much use any of them, whichever you want if you have already set up. But what happens if you double tap the right earbud, you will find that you will redial the last dial number. So it's pretty great, you can pretty much easily control the music. I did not found any visual delay while changing the tracks or doing the play and pause. Also once you're done, put them back in the charging case. So if you're having a QI enabled device like me, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, just turn on the wireless power share and have a look. Pretty much very easily you can charge your earbuds. Just place them onto your phone, turn on the wireless power share, and boom. These are having the USB-C charging, so with the same charging cable I can charge my earbuds, my phone, and even my laptop. So that part is really great on these earbuds. So if you are having a wireless charging stand or something like that, well, definitely you can charge by using that. So now let's talk about the sound quality and the comfortability of these TWS earbuds. The sound quality is really great, and these are having the deep and punching bass. The vocals are crisp and clear, and also I found that the instrument separation is also pretty good on these earbuds. So if you're looking for a TWS earbuds which are having good audio and bass, definitely these ones are for you. So these earbuds are priced somewhere around 3000 rupees, and the Best Buy links will be in the description. You can go and purchase it from there. When we talk about the casing is pretty solid, and I really love this magnetic casing, and this is not flimsy from anywhere, and it's really durable. And also love that they are having the USB-C type charging. Not only that, these are also having the wireless charging. Definitely you cannot find a wireless TWS earbuds charging in 3000 rupees. But I don't like the button setup on these earbuds, as it is very tiny and difficult to press. Sometimes it is annoying as you are pressing the button and it gives little bit pain in your ears. Also, when we talk about the battery life, it's almost like 4 hours on a single charge, and this charging case can charge up to 3 times your earbuds. So if you want to use it in gym, definitely you can put on the sports earbuds and you can use them in gym or in exercise. These are having the IPX4 water resistant rating. So if you are doing exercise or if you are sweating in gym, you need not to be worried about that, because these can handle it. So it's a very good TWS earbuds in 3000 price point with lot of accessories and very good build quality. So if you are looking for something like that, definitely you can purchase it, and the Best Buy links will be in the description. So I hope this video was informative and helpful to you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notification. Also, there's a giveaway live on my channel. If you have not participated till yet, go and participate it. So the links and terms and conditions will be in the description. Go and check it out. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and catch you in the next video.